Hey everyone, welcome back. Is HBO Max stuck on loading screen and not moving forward? This problem is common and easy to fix. First, wait for about 1 minute to make sure it's not a temporary delay. If it stays stuck, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for HBO Max, then swipe it away. Now, reopen it. Then check your internet connection and switch networks if possible. Firstly, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're not possible to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Now, if it stays stuck, go ahead and open your app store, search for HBO Max and update your app to your phone's operating system. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always make sure to update it. If nothing works on Android, you can simply clear the app's cache. On iPhone, you'll have to long press on the app icon and then remove app, then delete app. Now once you delete it, to reinstall the app, head over to your app store, search for the app and then download it from the app store only. After following these steps, HBO Max should load properly and then let you stream without issue, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.